Hey everyone! If you're appearing for the C exam in Nepal, this video is for you. I'll be sharing study tips, a checklist of things to carry, and most importantly, how to attempt the exam properly to score high. You know, just like solving a math problem, acing the SE requires the right approach. We need to break down the challenge into smaller, manageable steps, understand the concepts, and practice, practice, practice. So, whether you're already feeling confident or a little overwhelmed, don't worry, we're in this together. Let's get started. Before we even open our textbooks, let's take a moment to understand the C exam itself. It's like looking at a map before starting a journey. The C exam has different subjects, each with its own style and marking scheme. First, figure out which subjects carry more weight in the overall score. Then, dive deeper into each subject and identify the topics that are frequently asked or carry more marks. You can find this information in your syllabus or by looking at past question papers. Remember, understanding the exam pattern is not about finding shortcuts. It's about strategizing your study plan to make every minute of your preparation count. Dedicate some extra time to it. Now let's talk about how to make your study sessions more effective. Simply reading through textbooks might not be enough. We need to engage actively with the material. Think of it like building a house. You need different tools and techniques for laying the foundation, building walls, and putting on the roof. Similarly, different study techniques work best for different subjects and learning styles. For instance, try summarizing key concepts in your own words, creating flashcards for important definitions, or teaching the material to an imaginary student. These methods not only help you memorize information, but also enhance your understanding. Just like a musician practices before a concert, you need to practice before the big day. Solving past papers and taking mock tests is like simulating the actual exam environment. Start by solving past papers to familiarize yourself with the question format, difficulty level, and time constraints. Analyze your performance, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and focus on improving areas where you lag. Taking mock tests will help you build exam temperament and manage exam stress. It's like a dress rehearsal before the main event. Mathematics and science can seem daunting, but with the right approach, you can conquer them. For mathematics, focus on understanding the concepts behind the formulas. Don't just memorize them, try to derive them yourself. Practice different types of problems from each topic and pay attention to the steps involved in solving them. For science, try to visualize the concepts you learn. Relate them to real-life examples and conduct simple experiments at home to solidify your understanding. Remember, the key is to develop a deep understanding of the fundamental principles. Good writing skills are essential for excelling in language subjects like English and Nepali. Remember, clear and concise writing can significantly impact your scores. For English, focus on improving your grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Practice writing essays, letters, and stories on various topics. For Nepali, concentrate on improving your handwriting, grammar, and vocabulary. Read Nepali literature to enhance your language skills and practice writing essays and stories. Remember, practice makes perfect. While it's easy to get caught up in the core subjects, don't underestimate the importance of optional subjects in social studies. For social studies, create timelines and flowcharts to remember important dates, events, and historical figures. Use flashcards to memorize key definitions and concepts. For optional subjects, focus on understanding the core concepts and practice answering different types of questions. Remember, every mark counts. Remember, your health is as important as your studies. Don't neglect it. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating nutritious food, and staying hydrated. Regular exercise can help reduce stress and improve focus. Take breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout and incorporate mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises to manage exam stress. The night before the exam, let's make sure you have everything you need. Think of this as packing your toolkit for success. First and foremost, don't forget your admit card and a valid photo ID. Pack all the necessary stationery pens, pencils, erasers, a ruler, a sharpener, and geometry tools if required. Carry a transparent water bottle to stay hydrated and a watch to keep track of time. Most importantly, carry a positive attitude and confidence in your preparation. Now that you're in the exam hall, let's talk about how to tackle the paper effectively. Read the instructions carefully before you begin writing. Allocate your time wisely for each section and try to attempt all the questions. Write neatly and legibly and structure your answers properly. For subjective questions, provide relevant examples and support your answers with appropriate diagrams or illustrations. Remember, presentation matters. Believe in yourself and your hard work. Remember, you've got this. Avoid any negative self-talk or comparing yourself with others. Focus on your strengths and what you've learned. If you feel overwhelmed, take deep breaths and remind yourself of your preparation. Trust the process and give it your best shot. Remember, the C exam is not just about testing your knowledge. It's also about testing your temperament, resilience, and problem-solving skills. That's all for today. I hope these tips help you in your C exam. It's time to put all your hard work and preparation to the test. Remember, the C exam is just one step in your journey. Regardless of the outcome, be proud of your efforts and learn from the experience. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips. Best of luck, you've got this.